Hello. Welcome to the app Flowflex. The app can convert your canvas into a function. This app has protected root, so that no one can access roots directly. You must be logged in. First of all, let's look at login and registration page. This forms comes with validations, so you have to fill right informations. After login, we navigated to all workflow page, where user can see their workflow. Currently, we have no workflow, so let's create one. Here you can see there is empty canvas. Play around and create your workflow. After adding a workflow, you can view your workflow individually. Now let's apply this workflow on a file. Here a file form also fulfilled with validations. Let's apply our workflow on a CSV file. Currently we have only on workflow working from backend that can convert normal CSV to JSON, but we can add more workflow functionality later on. And yes, this is complete responsive app that runs smoothly on every screen and browser. Lastly, there is logout. Thank you for watching this video.